All right, now that you guys know how to use your alphabet chart different ways at home, I'm going to actually give you a few options for your assignment today. So option number one, you can use your alphabet chart at home to go through and just practice your letters, like A, apple, B, bike. So you can do that way. Option number two is you can go through and you can practice your letters and your letter sounds if you think you're ready. So you would go A, apple, or B, bicycle, B. So that's option number two. And option number three is to play a letter hunt at home if someone is with you and they are available. You can take your alphabet chart and they can tell you to find a letter, and you have to look at your chart and find the letter and show them. And if you get it right, then you keep going and they keep giving you letters to find. So it's like a little letter hunt. So you have three options for your assignment today. When you're ready, click here below and it will take you to the Google form, and you can choose which option you picked for today, and then you're just going to use your alphabet chart at home to practice.